Now say for example, I have set the beginning mode and I'm not being able to remove it for whatsoever reason, or there is something wrong with my calculator. What you could do is, there is a reset word written on the plus minus sign on this button, above this button if you see. Everybody with me? Second reset equals to, and then second reset, enter. And when you press enter, it gets back to the factory settings, it gets back to the default settings. So second reset, enter, and back to the factory settings. So you can always reset your calculator back to the factory settings, back to the default settings, right? So in that case also your BGN mode goes. But if you have noticed, my screen has 2 decimal places now, because by default your calculator screen is going to be having 2 decimal places. When we are working with percentages, yields, etc., it is advisable that you have 6 decimal places set on your calculator screen. How do we do that? Second format button, if you see, DC is equal to 2 is given to you. DC stands for decimals. I press 6 and enter, and I get the decimal screens, I get the number of decimal places equals to 6 on the screen. So DC stands for 6. There are other factory settings also, I'll get to it a little later, please be a little patient. Right? So you can do second reset, enter to set to default settings. You can go to second format button over here and you can set 6. Enter needs to be pressed in order to get to 6 decimal places. Everybody with me? Comfortable till here? Next I want to do is, now in the format button, second format, let's see the other varieties. So DEG, if you do, just observe, it's not required, you'll not be using it, it's a useless function for the finance professionals generally. Second enter, second enter. So basically DG stands for degrees and second enter is basically set. So when I say set, you're not supposed to be doing pressing enter, you're supposed to be pressing second enter. So when I'm giving you instructions as to second enter, second press or something, please understand it's second enter is set. So when I say set, it's automatically second enter. DG stands for degrees and RAD stands for radians, which we do not need to bother about as such. So I'll just set it back to degrees as it was. I can scroll up and scroll down inside any particular button over here, everyone, right? I think I pressed another button by mistake. Second format, DEC, degrees or radians.